Hey foodies, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're diving into a dish that's simple to make, incredibly satisfying, and packed with flavor: potato and paneer bhurji. This quick, scrambled Indian delight, featuring soft potatoes and crumbled paneer in a tangy, spicy tomato base, is perfect for a busy weeknight dinner or a hearty brunch. It pairs beautifully with chapati, paratha, or even just some toast. Get ready to grab your ingredients, because we're about to make some magic happen. Did you know you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? You can also view the video and print out the scaled recipes. You can also adjust the level of hotness you like. This unique feature will help you scale the recipes to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe will make 4 servings. Let us proceed to the recipe.
Take 1/3 cup of cooking oil in a pan and heat on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry till the cumin seeds start to crackle. Add 1 medium finely chopped onion. Stir fry till the onion turns golden brown. As the onion starts to change color, add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Stir fry till the onion turns golden brown. Add 1 finely chopped green chili. You may choose not to, depending on your taste. Stir fry a little. Add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. We are using Himalayan salt, but that is not required. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a chopped medium tomato. Stir fry till the oil separates and the water dries. Add half a chopped capsicum. It can be any color. Stir fry for a little while until the oil separates. Add a medium diced boiled potato.
Add 100 grams of Indian cottage cheese cubes.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Stir fry and mix well. Garnish with a 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy with chapati or naan bread.